Gia here, and today I'm going to review this cheerleader doll. It's Spanish and it's from Tracy series.
Here's the slippers.
So let's review it.
You press that button.
There's a button right here
On her tummy.
Yes, right there. And if you press it, she cheers. And now she has these cute little shoes. They're white and it's got the white bolts. And here's shoes.
And
she has shirts right here. Ira. And she's got like I don't know what some cheerleaders use this for cheering. And it says cheers on her dress with a trumpet. And she's got two pigtails and curly bangs. So here's the Spanish doll. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like. More videos will be posted. Bye. Ow!